The Cessna Citation XL was certified in 1998 and quickly became one of the most popular mid-sized business jets. The Citation XL is a growth variant of the Citation 5 Ultra, with a shortened Citation 10 stand-up fuselage and a lengthened Citation 5 wing. The XL's PW545A engines make it faster than the Citation 5 Ultra and give it a higher maximum gross takeoff weight and a longer range. The XL was updated in 2004 and rebranded as the Citation XLS. The aircraft received upgraded Pratt & Whitney 545B engines that are more efficient and a glass cockpit. In 2008, the XLS Plus came into production, showcasing enhanced Pratt & Whitney 545C engines with FADEC controls, as well as a Collins ProLine 21 avionics system with 4 LCD displays, compared to the 3-tube CRT Honeywell displays in the XL and the 3-screen LCD Primus 1000 system found in the XLS. The Citation XLS Plus continues to grow on the popularity enjoyed by the XL and XLS because it combines transcontinental range, world-class cabin comfort for up to 9 passengers, and provides exceptional efficiency without compromising performance. The aircraft is capable of a maximum range of 2,100 nautical miles and speed up to 441 knots. With a takeoff field length of only 3,560 feet, short runway operations are a normal occurrence for this aircraft. The Rockwell Collins ProLine 21 avionics make the XLS Plus smarter than ever, with weather navigation systems, airport diagrams, detailed flight status data, checklists, and diagnostic systems at the flight crew's fingertips. And the 8 by 10-inch displays show information in a simple and clear format, which enhances ease of operation and safety. If you would like to learn more about the Cessna Citation XL, XLS, and XLS Plus models, or would be interested in obtaining a detailed market briefing, please contact Holstein Aviation.